Finds Curry. Iguodala gets past James. Inside for the slam. Won't go. Rebound stripped. Green picks it up. Durant back in the game. Drives past Korver. Draws the foul. Shot's good and one.
Durant pushing the basketball. Clear contact from Korver. Knocks down the hoop.
Much like he did in Game 3 and here in the first half of Game 4. Green to Livingston gets free. And an easy bucket for the Warriors. Durant on the pull-up. At the buzzer. Kevin Durant knocks down the three. They'll review it, but he got it off in time. Draymond Green, what an outlet pass to Curry. James in pursuit. Curry wisely pulls back, but Durant drives and finishes.
Minimize his range.
McCaw drives, finds Iguodala. Thompson for three. Klay Thompson. And another quick timeout for Tyronn Lue. Long rebound out to Jefferson. Throws it ahead to Irving. Irving goes right at Iguodala. Sidestep layup blocked by Durant. Irving gets it back.
It was really great effort by Kevin Durant. The chase down, whether it's a goaltend, I think he got it on the way up.